While watching the latest season of Stranger Things, I noticed a specific text effect and became curious about how to recreate it in DaVinci Resolve. That moment when text changes color before fading to dark or to transparency. I've seen it elsewhere too, multiple times, though I can't recall exactly where. Since I didn't find a convenient built-in method, I decided to make a simple tool for it myself. That tool is Fader DCTL. There might be a way to do this easily with native tools. If you know one, let me know in the comments. But for those who want a dedicated control, this DCTL streamlines the entire process. All you need to animate is one slider. Let me walk you through other parameters. You'll find three key controls. Intermediate reveal point sets where your colored text or image is fully visible. Luminance fade trigger controls when the luminance fade starts. Alpha fade trigger sets where transparency fade begins. All values range from 0 to 1, making it visually intuitive to align. Want the colored image fully revealed at a certain point? Just match the reveal point to that position. Beyond the basics, you can customize almost every aspect. Disable transparency fade. Choose to fade by increasing or decreasing luminance. Adjust the fade curve. Change the fade color. If your source has transparency regions, like this text, you can fill those areas with color, preserving the shape even when faded out. If you are working with textured graphics or footage, use the intermediate blend mode to mix the source with the fade color. The blend modes are listed in the tooltip, and I've made them accessible via a slider for quicker selection of what works better. You can also enable Show Intermediate Image to preview exactly how the fade color blends with your source. If you're looking for a straightforward way to create this kind of fade, you can get the Fader DCTL on the AE scripts. It's name your own price, so you can pay what you think it's worth, even zero. I hope you find it useful, and be sure to check out my other DCTLs.